What is up, everybody? So today I took off at 12 on this beautiful Friday, about 102 degrees today. And it has been a long week working in this heat. So the first thing I did when I got off, took my truck down and rinsed it off. It was just a little dusty. I know it's hard to believe on a black pickup. It's dusty all the time. But I sprayed it off with some soap. Then I used a spot-free wrench on it. It actually turned out pretty good. Then just dried it off. I've had this truck for about 2 months, and I've washed it at least once a week, and every time it has rained. So today, right when I got done drying it, coming home, then I look on the Weather Channel, and now all of a sudden, we might get rain. So if you live close where I am, you're welcome, because we need the rain. So I'll take it, even if it messes my truck up. So I just thought I'd share that with y'all. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Hope everybody stays cool in this heat. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.